Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want your Honda HR-V to stay clean, organized, and more comfortable every day, this video is perfect for you. Today, we're looking at 30 smart accessories made for the HR-V that help with storage, protection, and convenience. These small upgrades make a big difference, whether you're driving to work, running errands, or taking weekend trips. And the best part? All the items are available on Amazon, and you'll find the links in the description. Let's jump in and see what you can add to your HR-V. First on the list is floor mats, floor liners for Honda HR-V. Start your interior protection with these floor mats, floor liners made for the Honda HR-V. They are molded to sit securely in place and cover high traffic areas where dirt and spills usually settle. The raised edges stop liquids from running across the carpet, making cleanup simple with just a quick shake or rinse. Whether it is daily commuting, weekend travel, or rainy season driving, these liners keep the cabin fresher and more organized. They add a clean, structured look to the interior while offering durable year-round coverage. Next on the list is cargo mat for Honda HR-V. Moving on, the cargo mat for the Honda HR-V gives the rear storage area a tough layer of protection against groceries, sports gear, pets, and anything you haul. Its textured surface reduces sliding so items stay more stable while driving. The water-resistant material stops stains from reaching the original carpet, and the custom fit follows the shape of the cargo floor for full coverage. It is an ideal upgrade for anyone who uses the back space frequently and wants easy maintenance with long-term durability. Coming up next, we have retractable trunk cover for Honda HR-V. This retractable trunk cover for the Honda HR-V is a simple way to keep your cargo area private and organized. It slides into place smoothly and creates a clean barrier that keeps luggage, groceries, and personal items hidden from view. The material is sturdy and sits firmly without rattling, making it perfect for everyday driving. It also helps maintain a tidy look by preventing small items from shifting around during trips. When you need more room, it retracts quickly and stores away without taking up cabin space. A practical upgrade that adds security, convenience, and a more finished feel to your HR-V. Next accessory, we have Dash Organizer Tray Box for Honda HR-V. This simple addition creates a convenient space on the dashboard for coins, cards, keys, or small items you reach for often. The anti-slip surface keeps everything steady, and the fitment sits snugly without blocking vents or controls. It helps reduce clutter around the center area and makes quick access easier while driving. A practical upgrade that adds everyday convenience while keeping the cockpit more organized. Next on the list is roof rack crossbars for Honda HR-V. These bars open up the ability to carry bikes, kayaks, luggage boxes, and bulky gear that will not fit inside the cabin. They attach securely to the factory mounting points and provide a stable platform for different types of rooftop accessories. The streamlined design helps reduce wind noise while keeping weight balanced, ideal for road trips, outdoor activities, and creating more usable space when your cargo needs grow. Next accessory, we have center console organizers for Honda HR-V. Center console organizer, made for the Honda HR-V, transforms the main storage area into a more structured layout so everyday items do not slide around while driving. Small compartments let you separate coins, keys, cards, and cables, making everything easier to find when you need it. The material is sturdy and shaped to sit securely without shifting. It installs in seconds and lifts out quickly for cleaning. This organizer helps keep your cabin neat and gives the console a more purposeful feel during daily use. Next accessory in our list is the center console armrest cover for the Honda HR-V. It adds a soft protective layer over the factory armrest to prevent wear from elbows, bags, and regular contact. The fitted design wraps smoothly around the edges for a clean, seamless look. It offers added comfort for long drives and guards the surface from scratches or fading over time. Installation is simple, and the cover stays firmly in place once positioned. a small upgrade that keeps the console looking fresh and enhances daily comfort inside the cabin. Coming in next, we have aluminum alloy knob cover set for Honda HR-V. Add a refined touch to your interior with this aluminum alloy knob cover set made for the Honda HR-V. Each piece slips over the factory knobs to give them a stronger, more premium feel while protecting them from scratches and wear. The textured edges offer better grip and enhance the look of your climate and audio controls without affecting their function. Installation takes only seconds and instantly transforms the cabin with a sharper, more upscale appearance. It is a small detail that makes a noticeable difference every time you reach for the controls, giving your HR-V a cleaner and more polished finish. Next accessory on the list is non-slip anti-dust cup holder inserts for Honda HR-V. These premium non-slip anti-dust cup holder inserts for the Honda HR-V help keep your interior clean while adding a quieter, more comfortable feel to your storage areas. They sit inside each pocket and catch dirt, spills, and dust before they reach the original surfaces. The soft rubber material prevents items from rattling and keeps cups steady during your drive. Each piece is shaped to match the HR-V layout, so everything fits securely without shifting. Cleaning is as simple as lifting them out and rinsing with water. Next on the list is floor console tray for Honda HR-V. This tray sits just below the main console area and adds an extra layer of storage for small items you need within quick reach. It is great for phones, parking cards, sunglasses, or any essentials you want to grab without digging. The textured surface helps keep items from sliding, and the molded shape blends nicely with the interior. It installs without tools and stays firmly in position as you drive, a useful addition that increases convenience and keeps the cabin more organized. Next accessory on the list is door handle cover trim for Honda HR-V. This door handle cover trim for the Honda HR-V adds a clean, upgraded look while protecting the factory handles from scratches and fingernail marks. The molded pieces sit naturally over the original handles, creating a smooth fit that blends with the exterior. Installation takes only a moment using the adhesive backing, and once in place, they stay firm through daily use and weather changes. It is a simple way to refresh the look of your HR-V and keep your handles looking newer for longer. A small touch that adds style and serves a practical purpose at the same time. Next accessory in our list is the dashboard cover mat for Honda HR-V. This dashboard cover mat for the Honda HR-V helps shield your dash from heat, sun glare, and fading over time. The material feels soft yet durable, shaping itself over the dashboard without blocking vents or sensors. It reduces light reflections on the windshield, which brings a clearer driving view on sunny days. Once placed, it stays put and does not shift around, even over rough roads. It also adds a neat, finished look to your interior, a helpful upgrade for preserving your cabin and keeping your dashboard protected all year. Coming in next, we have door sill protector for Honda HR-V. Keep your entry areas clean with this door sill protector set designed for the Honda HR-V. It prevents scuffs, dirt marks, and shoe scratches from wearing down the sill surface each time passengers step in or out. The textured finish provides extra grip and blends smoothly with the interior trim. Installation is quick with adhesive backing that fits along the sill edges precisely. Over time, it helps maintain that fresh look inside your HR-V while giving the door openings a more finished appearance. A straightforward upgrade with everyday benefits. Next on the list is trailer hitch 2-inch receiver for Honda HR-V. This trailer hitch 2-inch receiver for the Honda HR-V expands what your vehicle can handle by allowing small trailers, bike racks, or cargo carriers. It mounts securely to keyframe points to provide reliable strength while keeping ground clearance in check. Once installed, it blends neatly beneath the bumper without sticking out awkwardly. Whether for weekend gear, bicycles, or utility loads, it gives your HR-V more flexibility for outdoor plans. The next must-have on our list is door grab handle pocket for Honda HR-V. This door grab handle pocket for the Honda HR-V adds extra storage exactly where it is most convenient. It slips into the open handle area and transforms it into a usable pocket for coins, keys, cards, or small items that usually float around the cabin. The fit is snug so it does not rattle or fall out when closing the door. Its textured surface keeps items from sliding and makes the door area look more structured. Next on the list is rear side window louvers for Honda HR-V. These rear side window louvers for the Honda HR-V add both shade and style in one upgrade. They help reduce sun exposure for passengers while adding a sporty edge to the side profile of your vehicle. The lightweight design fits cleanly over the rear windows and stays secure with automotive-grade adhesive. They do not block visibility from inside the cabin, but they do increase privacy from the outside. Installation is simple and requires no drilling. This is an easy way to give your HR-V a more aggressive look while adding a bit of real, functional value to your everyday driving. Next accessory in our list is leather seat cover for Honda HR-V. Enhance comfort and protect your interior with this leather seat cover set created for the Honda HR-V. The snug fit wraps around the seats smoothly, giving the cabin a more refined look while defending the fabric underneath from spills, dirt, and wear. The breathable material keeps long drives comfortable, and the stitching lines follow the seat contours closely to maintain a factory-like appearance. You can install them without tools, and they stay firmly in place even during daily use. This upgrade offers a blend of luxury and practicality that keeps your interior feeling fresh over time. Coming in next, we have tempered glass screen protector for Honda HR-V. Guard your infotainment display with this tempered glass screen protector designed for the Honda HR-V. It shields the screen from scratches, fingerprints, and accidental touches while keeping the original clarity and responsiveness intact. The surface stays smooth and resists glare, making it easier to see the display in bright daylight. Installation is quick with a simple alignment and press-on application. A small but essential upgrade that helps preserve your dashboard tech for the long run. The next must-have on our list is Rain Guards window visor for Honda HR-V. These rain guards for the Honda HR-V allow you to crack your windows open without letting in water, wind rush, or excess noise. They channel airflow smoothly around the cabin and help reduce fog buildup on rainy days. The streamlined design fits directly along the window frame and complements the vehicle shape without looking bulky. This is a practical accessory for anyone who likes fresh air while driving and wants extra protection during unpredictable weather. Next add-on in our list is mud flap splash guards for Honda HR-V. Keep your HR-V cleaner and better protected with these mud flaps designed to block road debris, dirt, and slush from hitting the lower body panels. Their form fits closely to the vehicle so they do not stick out awkwardly, and they help reduce the amount of grit that kicks up onto the doors and fenders. They are made from durable material that handles harsh weather and rough roads with ease. A simple upgrade that helps preserve your paint and reduces the mess your SUV collects over time. Next on the list is car phone holder for Honda HR-V. Keep your device steady and easy to reach with this car phone holder made for the Honda HR-V. It mounts securely without blocking your view and keeps your screen visible for maps and calls while driving. The adjustable clamp grips your phone tightly, so it stays put even when the road gets bumpy. You can switch between portrait or landscape with a quick adjustment, making it perfect for navigation. This simple accessory adds convenience and helps you stay focused without juggling your phone in your hand. Next accessory, we have steering wheel trim for Honda HR-V. Add a fresh look to your interior with this steering wheel trim designed for the Honda HR-V. It fits around the wheel spokes to create a cleaner, more refined appearance that instantly elevates the cabin. The lightweight material snaps into place without tools and follows the shape of the steering wheel for a factory-style finish. A subtle upgrade that makes your driving space feel more personalized. Next in our list is anti-slip foot pedal pads for Honda HR-V. Improve traction and comfort with these anti-slip foot pedal pads for the Honda HR-V. They attach over the factory pedals to give you a more secure grip during daily driving, especially in wet or dusty conditions. The textured surface helps reduce foot slip and adds a sporty feel each time you accelerate or brake. Installation is quick, and once in place, they stay firmly attached without shifting around. Coming in next, we have envelope and floor-style cargo net for Honda HR-V. Organize your rear cargo area with this envelope and floor-style cargo net set for the Honda HR-V. The envelope net secures loose items against the side wall, while the floor net stretches across the cargo space to hold bags and gear in place. Both pieces prevent sliding and clutter, making every grocery run or weekend trip more organized. They hook into the built-in anchor points, so setup is fast and secure. A simple way to keep your cargo area neat and stress-free. Next item, we have window shades for Honda HR-V. Protect your cabin from heat and sunlight with these window shades designed for the Honda HR-V. They fit the window frames closely to block glare, reduce temperature, and offer extra privacy for passengers. Whether you are parked under the sun or taking a long highway drive, the shaded interior stays more comfortable. They are easy to install and remove, folding flat when you want to store them. A practical accessory that brings comfort to every ride. Next on the list is Gear Shift Knob Cover Trim Cap for Honda HR-V. Give your interior a quick refresh with this Gear Shift Knob Cover Trim Cap made for the Honda HR-V. It slips over the factory knob to add a cleaner and more refined look without needing tools. The protective layer helps prevent scratches and wear from daily use, while giving the console a more polished finish. The snug fit keeps it firmly in place while driving, and the lightweight material makes it comfortable to grip. It is a simple upgrade that enhances both style and durability inside your HR-V. Next accessory in our list is front and rear dash cam for Honda HR-V. Add peace of mind to every drive with this front and rear dash cam system designed for the Honda HR-V. It captures wide-angle footage from both ends of the vehicle, helping record road events, parking incidents, and unexpected moments. Clear video quality supports better clarity day or night, and loop recording ensures continuous coverage. The compact design keeps the view unobstructed while blending neatly into the cabin. Whether for travel, safety, or documentation, this setup brings dependable visibility from every direction. Coming in next, we have seat gap filler for Honda HR-V. Stop losing phones, keys, and small items between your seats with this seat gap filler made for the Honda HR-V. It fits neatly into the open space along the seat edges to catch anything that slips through while driving. The firm but flexible shape helps it stay secure without shifting, and the smooth surface is easy to clean. It keeps your cabin more organized, reduces distractions, and prevents items from sliding under the seat. The next must-have on our list is trunk organizer for Honda HR-V. Keep your cargo area tidy with this trunk organizer built for the Honda HR-V. Multiple compartments help separate groceries, tools, emergency items, and travel gear so everything stays in place while you drive. The reinforced sides hold their shape even when fully loaded, and the non-slip base helps reduce movement. It folds easily when not needed and sets up quickly when you want order in your rear storage space. A smart way to keep everything accessible and clutter-free on every trip. Last on the list is key fob cover for Honda HR-V. Protect your key fob from scratches and everyday wear with this key fob cover designed for the Honda HR-V. The soft but durable shell helps guard against drops while keeping all buttons easy to press. Its precise cutouts maintain full access to the keyring and functions without adding bulk. It also adds a cleaner look and a better grip, making it easier to hold on to your keys. A small accessory that keeps an important part of your daily routine looking and feeling new. These were 30 amazing accessories you can add to your Honda HR-V. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.